First time mo bang sumakay na aeroplano? Here's how, plus a couple of tips. Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for watching this video. My name is G. I'm the blogger behind exoticphilippines.info. But in this YouTube channel, we talk about travel, destinations, flights, and a lot more. But sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin kung paano sumakay ng eroplano for the first time. Pag hindi mo naman first time, nakasakay ka na, pero nalimutan mo, then this might be your refresher course. Please note guys that this is a part of the series that I'm making right now, releasing this month for the past few weeks. So this is basically a step-by-step discussion video. In each step, we'll discuss it in one whole video. Pero kung gusto mo yung buong video for the whole step, for entire airport na process, please watch this video for domestic flights. So video na yan, pag-uusapan yung domestic airport, or if yung flight mo ay para domestic lang, like Cebu to Manila, Manila to Davao, dito lang sa Pilipinas. For international flights, you can watch this video right here for the full airport process procedures, or steps should I say. Actually, they're very similar, pare-pareho lang. May madadagdag lang na isang step sa international airport at medyo mas stricto sa isang international airport kaysa domestic airport. So again, sa video na ito ay i-discuss lamang natin yung pagsakay natin sa aeroplano, or yung last step or gagawin natin sa airport para makompleto natin on how to get around in an airport. So let's have a bit of recap muna. Is that pag-arrive mo sa airport ay mag-check-in ka, bibigyan ka ng boarding pass, and then after that, if sa international, dadaan ka ng immigration, and then after that, pupunta ka ng iyong gate, hahanapin mo yung gate, at doon maghihintay ka sa iyong flight. Now, after that, if natawag na, this will be our steps. Make sure na naka-standby ka o nakahintay sa iyong pag-board sa plane na malapit sa iyong gate. And also, make sure na makikinig ka sa mga announcement, kasi minsan they have to cancel or they have to move or it will be delay yung flight mo. So, you can also be aware. So, kasi minsan i-announce nila na mamumove yung flight mo ng ganitong oras, ng madidelay lang ng minuto or so on and so forth. And also, mag-a-announce na din sila na magbo-board na kayo. Kagaya nito.
Is not ready to board passengers at gate number 8. For security and verification purposes, passengers at this flight are requested to present any of your valid IDs together with your own boarding pass upon boarding. Once again, Philippine Airlines.
So, once na natawag na ang iyong flight, prepare your boarding pass. If international flight naman, ay prepare yung passport mo, kasi they have to match the passport and the boarding pass. They will thoroughly check your boarding pass and your passport. Okay ka naman, pumasok ka lang sa gate at sundin mo yung mga tao. Huwag kang mauna, kasi sundin mo lang yung mga tao kung saan sila pupunta. And if just in case na hindi ka nakasunod agad sa kanila, you just ask the airport staff, kasi sila nagko-control ng mga flow ng tao. Huwag kang manghingi ng tulong. Sa pagdating sa aeroplano naman, before ka makapasok, ito-check din ng mga flight attendant ang iyong boarding pass. Sometimes sa international flight, they will also check your passport. Pero usually lang is yung boarding pass mo, kasi to make sure na nasa tamang flight ka, nasa tamang aeroplano. And it did happen na nasa mali siyang aeroplano. Good thing nakita ng flight attendant at na-check siya na bumalik ka sa maling aeroplano ka pumunta. So, usually dito sa Pilipinas ay papasok ka sa may ulo ng aeroplano. So, dito usually ang makikita mo sa pagpasok mo sa aeroplano. So, once you enter the airplane, makikita mo na nang maghintay yung flight attendant, and they will welcome you to come inside. For this video, we'll set the standard of planes that we usually have here in the Philippines. Tagtatatlong columns each side. How will you know kung saan ka uupo? Simple lang guys. If you have checked your boarding pass, sa habang naghihintay ka ng iyong flight, dapat naka-check ka sa iyong boarding pass at doon nakalagay ang iyong seat number. For example, 14A, 10B. For this example, let's say 4A ang upuan or nakalagay sa iyong boarding pass na naka-assign sa iyo daw na seat. So, ganito lang ang paghahanap ng seat mo. So, dito sa iyong right side, kung nasa ulo ka nag-enter, is A, B, C. And sa kabilang side is D, E, F. So, yung mga window seat is F and A. At yung nasa tabi, yung sa daanan or aisle seat is C and D. So, for example, yung seat mo is 4A, is magka-count ka lang ng 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. At pupunta ka lamang sa window seat. Kasi yun ang seat A of row 4. At huwag kayo mag-aalala guys, kasi sa ibabaw ng upuan, yung sa may parang cabinet sa airplane, or yung tawag nila na overhead cabin, is may nakalagay na numbers. Example is 4, tapos A, B, C, and then dito sa kabila is 4, and D, E, F. So, madali lang guys, hanapin actually ang seat mo. So, before ka umupo, pwede mo munang ilagay yung carry-on bag mo sa overhead, yung parang cabinet nila sa ibabaw. Or usually, my choice is ilalagay ko sa ilalim sa harap na upuan ko. Ito, nakaupo ako, andyan may seat. So, pwede kong ilagay yung carry-on bag ko sa ilalim nito na seat. Get it? So, hindi sa ilalim ng upuan ko, but na ilalim ng upuan ng harap ko. So, pwede mong ilagay yung carry-on bag mo doon. Kasi ako, yung medicines ko, andun sa carry-on bag ko. So, just in case lang for emergency, I wanna access it easily. I don't want to, stand up and, excuse me, kukunin ko lang yung bag ko. So, I don't want to disturb anyone else just to get my medicine. So, I always put my carry-on bag sa ilalim ng upuan, sa harap na upuan, sa ilalim sa harap na upuan ko. So, once nakapupo ka na, nalagay mo na yung carry-on bag mo, pwede ka nang mag-seatbelt. Napaka-simple lang, guys, is you have to insert this one to the buckle. And this is how you will release the seatbelt. At sa mga taba-ching-ching na kagaya ko, don't worry, guys, adjustable naman yung seatbelt. Pero parang sa mom ko, hindi siya kasya. Pero sa mga international na plane, kaya naman yung mom ko, but I don't know. I think it's just Asian size plane. Yung mom ko, hindi siya kaya. I'm not sure. I don't know. I tried the max width. So, hindi siya kasya. Pero sa akin, kasya may sobra pang kanyan. So, don't worry mga taba-ching-ching, don't worry. At yun, nakasakay ka na aeroplano, naka-seatbelt ka na, ready to fly. And then, guys, don't worry. First time ninyo, medyo scary siguro siya para sa inyo. Pero, hindi naman siya immediately maglilipad galing sa parking area. Tatawagin natin parking area na aeroplano. Pupunta pa siya sa isang daanan talaga na straight kung saan siya magbebelo palipad. So, medyo excited pa tayo dyan kasi papunta pa siya sa yung lane talaga na para bumelo siya. So, papunta na niya doon sa lane na yon. It will be on a full stop. Tapos, minsan, ito-turn off nila yung lights. Some airlines turned off the aircon for a while, for just like few minutes. Pero, I've experienced na nag-off yung aircon for like 30 minutes. It was like, what on earth is going on? So, ayun. Once ready na lahat, the captain will say, crew, something like, get ready to fly, something like that. So, the stewardess will have to take a seat. Usually, sa ating bansa, hindi naman siya ganun yung pahina muna, tapos palakas. Kasi dito sa atin, hindi malalaking runway. Applicable ata lang yan sa malalaking runway. So, sa atin, mag-full stop muna siya, pero mag-iingay yung engine. So, babelo siya. Tapos, ganun lang. So, for the first timers, medyo scary siya sa inyo. Pero hold on lang. It will be okay. It is normal. It is actually like that. So what am I talking about? So here's an example of the video. My first and last flight last year. Dito yan sa Cebu. Let me just share with you an experience example. Hopefully, it will give you an idea on kung anong sinasabi ko. So guys, here's just one tip for those first time flyers. Huwag kayo matakot. If matakot talaga kayo, huwag kayong sumigaw. Pero kung hindi nyo talaga kayo, sumigaw na lang kayo, okay? I've actually heard a man actually say, Diyos ko, Diyos ko, Diyos ko. So don't be shy if you wanna scream because it's your first time. Pero everything's actually just normal. Okay guys? Here's just one tip is that one thing that will happen to you, actually to all of you, I mean to me, every time I fly, is yung magsasakit yung tenga ko. So, ang gagawin mo lang is yung jaw mo, i-move mo lang ng ganon. Ganito. Ng ganyan. Ganyan. Yung parang nag-yawn ka lang. Or if you're with a kid, or if you're, I don't know, if you're not sure, eat a bubble gum. Pero, wag mong idikit sa aeroplano, guys. Wag mong iiwan. Take it with you, okay? Or, maybe eat the candy. So, yun lang. Actually, parang nag-yawn ko lang. Yung, parang bagong guessing. Yung ganun. So, yun lang, guys. It will relieve the pressure. Kasi nga, palipad ka. Kasi from land to air ka, you will feel the pressure, and that is what's happening sa ears mo. So, by doing the yawn thing, you will relieve your ears and everything will be okay. Pero, it will come back every now and then kasi nga yung aeroplano, it have to come down and up every now and then. That happens to everyone during the flight. It happened to me a number of times, so it's very normal. So, don't be scared, don't panic, just do the yawn thing, okay? So, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what are your questions. Kung may tanong kayo, please leave it down the comment section below. Don't be afraid. Ayaw mo ka wow. Don't be shy. I don't bite. And yeah, let me know if there are more questions. And also, if you want to clarify some stuff, please do let me know in the comment section below. If I missed something, if you want to correct me or something, please do on the comment section below and I'll try to update the video. So if you have any video requests about flights and all, let me know in the comment section below kasi ito lang talaga ma-offer ko for sure for this year, guys, because of the COVID thing. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to travel around, but yeah. And by the way, guys, for the flights this year, required po ang mag-mask, mag-face shield. So magdala kayo ng mask and face shield. Face mask ha. Face mask yung ganito. At tapos face shield kasi from international and domestic it is required. And some airlines won't allow you to board the plane pag hindi kayo nakasuot ng face mask and face shield. Okay? So just follow the rules and you will be totally okay. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is G. See you guys on the next video next week. Bye. So, paglaland pa lang ng plane is, of course, you have to wait muna na naka-full stop yung airplane. Okay? Once nakaland ng plane,